Toyota Motor Sales has established a rapid response swift market analysis response team to respond quickly to customer reports of unintended acceleration in the U.S.
The SMART teams are made up of many different people across our organization with technical skills. There's field technical specialists that reside in our regional offices and our private distributor offices. We've got engineering folks from the manufacturing side as well as the design side. We've got product engineers that are available from California that work in our product quality group. And if necessary, we can get engineers dispatched from Japan to come in and participate in these investigations as well.
The SMART team will attempt to contact customers within 24 hours of receiving a complaint of unintended acceleration to arrange for a comprehensive on-site vehicle analysis.
One of the changes that is being undertaken right now as a result of Mr. Toyota's leadership, if you will, in improving quality is the formation of a position around the world in each one of the regions of a chief quality officer. And Steve St. Angelo is our chief quality officer here in North America.
SMART team members are drawn from a group of 200 technical associates located across Toyota's North American operations and will work in close partnership with Toyota and Lexus dealers. They've been given new business processes and information to assist vehicle owners who have reported an unintended acceleration incident.
Toyota's main focus is on listening to our customers better and reacting to their needs. We've always had a customer-first philosophy as an organization, and we're refocusing our efforts on that.
For more information, please visit toyota.com.